I'm here on stage of Ali English House Academy taking interview of our students. Let me speak to this boy. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Yunus.
Muhammad Yunus. Where is your house?
Fatita Mohalla.
Okay. How do you come to school? With school bus or with the parents?
Bus.
By bus. Okay. So what's your father's name?
Sikandar Pasha.
What's your mother's name?
Khairul Nisa.
Who is your parent? Mother or mother?
Mother.
Mother. Who is giving you more punishment?
Father.
Mother. Okay. So which class you are studying?
First standard division.
Who is your class teacher?
Nasreen ma'am.
Which school you are studying in?
Ali Public School.
Do you like Ali Public School?
Yes.
What do you like in Ali Public School?
Teachers.
Okay. So what do you want to become after completing your education?
Hafiz al-Quran.
MashaAllah. Okay. So what's your favorite food?
Roti.
What's your favorite color?
Red.
Okay. What's your favorite chocolate?
Dairy milk.
Okay. That's great. It was nice talking to you and all the best for your future.
Thank you, Jazakallah.